My art space.
Hello Artspace family and friend, this is your friend Odai, and today we will have a quick tutorial on how you can use the downloaded symmetry pen that you found on the cloud of Medibang. Without further ado, let's get started. After you downloaded your pen, the other challenge will be to place your snap. On a way to avoid multiple snapping on your page, I recommend to drag the snap tool down on the bottom of your page, and this way you can just draw with a duplicate of your art. And in this video also, I want to take the time to say thank you to everybody who took the time to watch our video and to learn about art. I also want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed also to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And now here you have it. You just have to now put the color. As I said, it's a really simple tutorial, and you just and I just do it like in only 2 layers. So you put your color, and I hope you can use that. You learn to implement this in your drawing as well. Please use the symmetry pen. I think it's a really nice feature of Medibang. And thank you again, guys, for watching, and see you next time.